Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Gate.io trading app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And then you can tap on the search button from the homepage. Now just type in Gate.io within the search box to begin your search. And once you find the Gate application, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed, and you can tap on the open button once the installation is done. You also have the auto open toggle, which you can turn on to automatically open up the app once the process is completed. And once the application is opened up, you can log in or sign up to start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Gate.io trading app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.